Namaste, respected teachers and honorable judges, and a very good morning to all my friends. My name is Vidhi, and I am in class 2nd B. Do you know who am I? I am the tree, and my message is save trees. I am your real friend because I keep the air free from the pollution. I give you shadow for rest. I give you smelly flowers and yummy fruits. If you want to give a healthy and pollution-free future to the next generation, then you must save trees. At last, I will say please. That's what I will say. I will say please, please. Do not cut trees, trees. Grow more trees, trees. Save the trees, trees. Thank you. Have a nice day.